Here's some stuff I bought this week. I got my third tripod, like this. Those two legs broke. Why would I buy a third tripod when the first two broke? I bought my third one because this is the only tripod that I have found so far that solves a particular problem I have for filming for my YouTube channel. Let me explain in this video and show you the pros and cons of the third one as compared to the first two and another one I was sent for a review. This one, the packaging looks to be a little bit different. This looks different. The Bluetooth remote looks the same. I think those look the same. And the legs look the same. So the legs kind of pop open like this, and like I demonstrated before, they're kind of bendy. Not even going to fool with this Bluetooth thing. It comes with the two attachments. You can see more about that in videos of the other ones. And let's see, what's the difference? I guess they've made it a little prettier. The instructions leave a lot to be desired. The graphics are pretty small, not very useful. Excuse my orange fingernails. I took my fingernail polish off today. I'm giving them a rest. So it looks like... looks a little different. So this one is different. You push it to open. Okay. And then you ratchet it down. But this one's a little different. You push it to open, and then you ratchet it down to fit your phone. And the previous one, I was able to just I don't know what that is. I'll have to look and see. I was able just to screw it in like this. And then it helped my phone. So let me go get a phone and see if it still works. Okay, so you just ratchet it up. Somebody had asked why the new Samsung phone had the off on button up here, and I think it's because when it was in the center, it was getting caught on tripods. So I guess that's supposed to be a tight fit. It's not as tight as the old one, to be honest. So what I actually may do is to take this old header off, because I like that better. It's just easy to do, and change it with this, because that is not secure, and I'm not going to take a brand new phone and risk it, so no. And I'm just a novice. I just film with my phone, and I have no idea what this is. I think that may be a different setting for a camera, GoPro, or something like that, but this is just in my way. That's just in my way. So right now, the only thing I really care about is this bottom part. Just going to unscrew the old harness, put it on the new legs, and go from there, making me a Frankenstein tripod with the parts that I like, because I prefer that. It's going to hold my phone more securely. It's got the little rubber padding in there. It's going to keep my phone from sliding around. And this one has it, but I don't know. It didn't secure my phone. Maybe it's something I was doing wrong, but I don't like this setup at all. This is just stupid and awkward. So no, not an improvement. This is my second FotoPro tripod, and I've got it taped together, but I'm going to show you what happened to this one if I can untape it. Excuse my jerkiness. I usually use the tripod to keep it from being so jerky, but you can see how that broke. It's like the little leg stabilizer, and it broke, and I had to tape it back together. It's like a piece like this. That's supposed to be Well, that one's cracking right there. You see that? It's got a crack right there. And then this one's cracking behind it. And that one just completely cracked. I don't know if I'm being too rough on them or if they're just that cheaply made. But like the last time it was the legs that broke. And this time it was these little housing things. So maybe I can take them apart and Frankenstein one together. I shouldn't have to do that, but hey, it wasn't that expensive. They just don't last that long. I just took the 2 old harnesses off and put them on the new legs, and then on the skyscraper tripod that I was sent for review. I like these much better, and I'm going to keep the legs in case I can harvest any parts off of those. I put everything else in this box labeled tripod parts so that if need to I can Frankenstein something together in the future that will work for me. I've had 2 of these things. The first one, the leg broke, so it just kind of flops around, so it's not even a tripod, can't use it, can't do anything. The second one, all 3 of these have broken. That one was cracked. I taped this one back together to get some more use out of it. And all 3 have broken. So they temporarily do exactly what I want them to do. I like this part of them, but there's always a component that just doesn't hold up longer than 6 months. They seem to have a lifespan of 6 months. So if you're looking for a temporary solution, this is going to be it. If you're looking for something to last longer than 6 months, I don't know what to tell you. Thanks for watching my review of my 3rd FotoPro uFO2 set. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. If you have time, watch one of my reviews for the other 2 that I have. And remember to check the text below for links for more information and on how to buy one of these yourself. Love the legs, love the old harness.